Mommy, mommy, wake up. We need to go shopping today. Wake up, I'm so excited. Oh, is it Sunday already? Yes, it's the weekend. Is Elsia up? No, mommy, I'll go wake her up too. Okay. Wake up, mommy, wake up, mommy, wake up, mommy. Okay, okay, Ania, I'm waking up. Ugh, why do I look so messy?
Uh-oh.
I need to get my hair done. Let me call Barbie. Elsia! Elsia! Elsia, wake up! Elsia! Oh my god, what happened? What happened? Wake up! It's time for us to go shopping today. Is it time already? Hey, Elsia, what is that in your forehead? What do you mean there's something in my forehead? Go wash your face, Elsia. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. Let me take a close look at it. He looks so funny, Elsia. Hey, Barbie. Hey, Anna. How are you? I'm good. I just wanted to ask you if you're free today. I wanted to go to the salon to get my hair done and do some shopping as well. Oh, I've been wanting to call you too. I wanted to go to the salon to get my hair done. My hair is such a mess, and I wanted to go do some shopping as well. Oh, that's so cool. So, let's go today. I'll quickly get ready. Yeah, sounds good. Bye. Elsia, Ania, girls, come on. Barbie's here. Let's go quickly. Yeah, mommy, we're ready. They're coming. Do-do-do-do-do. Wow, look at all this. Look at that dress. That dress would look so cool on my mommy. Yeah, Elsia, it would look so good on Elsa auntie. Oh, I love all these jewelries. Wow, look at the shoes and the chain and the jewelry. I love it. I'm gonna try this one here. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna take that one. I need to clean my hands. Yep. That looks so good. I'm gonna put some water. My other hand. Look at that. I love it. Elsia, Ania, what do you think about it? I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. Yes, it looks so pretty. We love it. Oh, I need some shoes. What shoes do you think I should get? Look, this one matches your dress. Oh, but I like the pink one. It matches your dress as well. I'll try both of them.